I went to Nigeria in April 2022 with my daughter Peace. We went to Abuja. It was on our way back from Nigeria to UK that I actually composed this song. So the vocal and the instrumental, as you've heard it, was exactly the way I did it. Obviously, I have to revoice it because of all the noises of the plane and the passengers. Also, I have to clean up the instrumental here and there. But essentially, the song was formed while we were up there flying back to UK. So yes, that was the interesting story behind You Are Mine. I call my song Bible musical because I composed my song based on revelation of the Bible. And Your Mine is my story. It's God talking to me, comforting me and reassuring me that even though I pass through the fires, even though I pass through the water that is there, I've had my share of challenges and I continue to. But it is reassuring to know that I'm not alone, to know that God is there. God has not promised me not to have challenge in life, but He promised to be there. God says, You are mine. I say, I am His.